Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'll show you the best settings for DREAME D20 Plus on hardwood floors. We'll need to adjust our mopping settings, and this is the most important part. Let's go into the app and then go to Custom. You can select Vacuum, Mop, or Vacuum and Mop. You can also select Suction Power and other settings. The most important here is Mop Wetness. Mop wetness should be set below standard and not above. If you set it higher, it will wet your floors too much and may cause damage. Set it to standard and see if the robot leaves too much water behind. If it does, lower the mop wetness setting. Another thing is customize settings for each room, which is useful if you have different floor types. I created a map and split it into 2 rooms to demonstrate. Click Customize, then Set, and select the room. I'll do room 2 first, which is my living room with hardwood. I'll set it to vacuum and mop with mop wetness at 12. Room 1 has tiles, so I can set it to a more wet mop. In Customize mode, you can also set the amount of cycles. If the mop isn't too wet, increase cycles to 2 for better cleaning. Next, go to Map Editing and select Floor Type. Choose the room and click on Floor Material. I'll set hardwood to vertical and tiles to tile floor. You can see tiles here and hardwood floor here. Then go to floor cleaning settings and enable cleaning along the floor. This makes the robot's route follow the floor direction to minimize scraping against seams. That's it. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.